Vitamin C is an essential vitamin, meaning your body can't produce it. Yet, it has many roles and has been linked to impressive health benefits. It's water-soluble and found in many fruits and vegetables, including oranges, strawberries, kiwi fruit, bell peppers, broccoli, kale, and spinach. While it's commonly advised to get your vitamin C intake from foods, many people turn to supplements to meet their needs. Here are 7 scientifically proven benefits of taking a vitamin C supplement. 1. May reduce your risk of chronic disease. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant that can boost your blood antioxidant levels. This may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease. 2. May help manage high blood pressure. Vitamin C supplements have been found to lower blood pressure in both healthy adults and those with high blood pressure. 3. May lower your risk of heart disease. Vitamin C supplements have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. These supplements may lower heart disease risk factors, including high blood levels of LDL, bad cholesterol and triglycerides. 4. May reduce blood uric acid levels and help prevent gout attacks. Vitamin C-rich foods and supplements have been linked to reduced blood uric acid levels and lower risk of gout. 5. Helps prevent iron deficiency. Vitamin C can improve the absorption of iron that is poorly absorbed, such as iron from meat-free sources. It may also reduce the risk of iron deficiency. 6. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C may boost immunity by helping white blood cells function more effectively, strengthening your skin's defense system, and helping wounds heal faster. 7. Protects your memory and thinking as you age. Low vitamin C levels have been linked to an increased risk of memory and thinking disorders like dementia, while a high intake of vitamin C from foods and supplements has been shown to have a protective effect. Although vitamin C has many proven benefits, it has not been shown to prevent the common cold, reduce cancer risk, protect against eye diseases, or treat lead toxicity. Overall, vitamin C supplements are a great and simple way to boost your vitamin C intake if you struggle to get enough from your diet. Stay healthy, keep smiling.